14th you see 4 electric charges plus q minus q are placed at the corners of a square of side 2l. The electric potential at capital A midway between the two charges plus q and plus q is. So what is the question? There is a square of side here. There is a square. Square side how much they gave as 2l. How the charges are there? Plus q minus q plus q minus q. Like this charges are there. Here at this point, what is the net potential? This distance value how much? 2l na side. This value will be L. This value will be L. So this is L. This value will be L. Then this distance value how much between these two? Here we have to find the potential. Because of this means we have to find the distance between them. This will be root 5L. This value also same, because this is 2L. This value will be root 5L according to Pythagoras theorem. Then V value how much? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. We can take any of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take in any manner. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is capital Q by L minus capital Q by root 5L minus capital Q by root 5L plus capital Q by L. Okay. So Q by L you take common. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by L. This will be 2 minus 2 by root 5. Take 2 also common here. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2q by L into 1 minus 1 by root 5. Okay. So option for this will be 14th. It will be 4th option. Next 15. Parallel plate capacitor has uniform electric field E in the space between the plates. If the distance between the plates is D and area of the plate is capital A, the energy stored in the condenser is how much? Simple question. See what they are asking. 15. Energy stored in the capacitor U is equal to, we know the formula 1 by 2 CV square. C value will be A epsilon naught by D. V value is equal to ED whole square. So this value we will get it as 1 by 2 A epsilon naught E square D. Okay. So 15th it will be first option. Clear? Next 16th you see the electric potential V at any point xyz all in meter in space is given by V is equal to 4x square volt. The electric potential at the point 102 in volt per meter is. So what they are asking, see, 16. V is equal to 4x square. Then E is equal to minus dV by dx. So this value minus d by dx of 4x square, this will be minus 8x. This will be I cap. Here if you do dv by dy, it will be 0, dv by dz, that will be 0. So just we are writing in this format only. Then E102, if we substitute minus 8 into 1 into I cap, this will be minus 8 I cap. Okay. So 8 along negative x-axis, minus I cap is there, na? So 16, it will be fourth option. Next. (17) Three charges each plus q are placed at the corners of an isosceles triangle ABC of sides BC and AC. D and E are the midpoints of BC and CA. The work done in taking a charge q from D to E is how much? So there is an isosceles triangle ABC. Here D, here E. These two sides are same. Then here three charges they placed. Because of this, because of this, because of this. Here potential will be there. Here also, because of this, and because of this, potential will be there. Those two potentials will be same only, because this distance will be same. This distance, these two distances are same. So we can write directly VD is equal to VE. Potential value at D is equal to potential value at C. Then what is the work done in moving a charge capital Q from here to here? 0. W is equal to VE minus VD into capital Q. Both are VE, VD are same, so their subtraction value will be equal to 0. Next, 18. 4 charges minus q, small q, q2q, 2q are placed one at each corner of a square. The relation between capital Q and small q, for which the potential at the center of the square will be 0 is. So, what's the question? 18. Here, four charges minus q, minus small q, 2q. This value will be 2 capital Q. All are placed. Here potential value is 0. Here. What is the relation between the charges? So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q, some x I am assuming, all distances are same only, minus small q by x plus 2q by x plus 2 capital Q by x is equal to 0. Because of all these charges, here potential value is 0. They mentioned that one. So what will happen? So finally capital Q plus small q is equal to 0. Then q is equal to minus q, same only. Q is equal to minus q, that is the relation between them. So 18, it will be first option. Next 19, parallel plate capacitor has a uniform electric field E in the space between the plates. If the distance between the plates is d and the area of each plate is capital A, the energy stored in the capacitor is how much? So 19, what they are asking is energy stored in the capacitor. We did already this type. U is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. 1 by 2 C value A epsilon naught by D. This value E square D square. So this value 1 by 2 A epsilon naught E square into D. So 19, it will be third option. Next 20C. What's the question that is? What they are asking is, here uniform electric field is there, having field intensity E. Here E, here B, here it will be C. A, B, C are the 2 points where field will be maximum. In the direction of the field, potential will be minimum. So comparing to that, here potential will be more, next here, next here. So what is the relation between them? VB greater than VC greater than VA. So VB is maximum. Clear? And 20, it will be third option. Next 21, you see. Simple question only. 21, what they are asking is, these two are the plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Here one dielectric is kept. Its dielectric constant K1. Here one more dielectric is placed. Its dielectric constant is K2. Then if we draw the graph between E and D, how the graph will be there? Okay. So here in between them just air is there, ma. If air medium is there, E value will be more. Next K1 less than K2. So in between this E is more compared to this. Next, this is K1 place. Next again air, it will be same. like this it will be there. Next again it will compare it to this will be less. Again it will be like this. So this is E and D graph. So 21 it will be third option. Okay. Next 22 you see. Conducting sphere of radius capital R is given a charge. The electric potential and electric field at the center of the sphere is. Inside the sphere, field will be 0. Potential value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. 22 it will be second option. What they are asking, there is a sphere of radius r. At the center of the sphere, what is the potential means? Potential at the surface 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. What is the field means? That will be equal to 0. So 22 it will be second option. Next 23. What they are asking, in a region the potential is represented by V is equal to 6x minus 8xy minus 8y plus 6yz. Potential is represented like this. Electric force experienced on the 2 coulomb charge placed at 1, 1, 1. First we will find the field. So Ex is equal to dV by dx minus. So this value will be 6. This value minus 8y. This is 0, this is 0. They gave 1, 1, 1 means y will be 1. So minus 6 minus 8. This value will be 2. Clear? In the same manner, 2i cap, this is Ex. Ey minus dV by dy. This will be 0. This is minus is there. This is minus 8x minus 8 plus 6z. Substitute 1, 1, 1. So minus of minus 8 plus 6. So this value will be 10. Ez you calculate. Minus dV by dz. This value will be 0, this value will be 0, this value will be 0 because there is no z. This value will be 6z minus 6z. This is minus 6. If we write the electric field, minus or plus or? So this value will be E bar is equal to Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. This value 2I cap plus 10J cap minus 6K cap. Then modulus of E is equal to square root of 4 plus 100 plus 36. This value will be root 140. 4 into 35, like that we can write this one. So this value 2 root 35 Newton per Coulomb. Find the force acting on the 2 Coulomb charge. F value is equal to E into Q, 2 root 35 into 2, this value 4 root 35 Newton. Okay. So 23, it will be fourth option. Clear? Next 25 you see. 24 one. What they are asking, see. A parallel plate air capacitor of capacitance C is connected to a cell of EMF V and then disconnected from it. A dielectric slab of dielectric constant K, which can just fill the air gap of the capacitor, is now inserted in it. Then what is the following is incorrect, they are asking. Battery was removed and dielectric is introduced. We discussed that in the synopsis. Energy of the capacitor decreases by K times, that is correct only. Change in the energy of the energy stored is, that statement is also correct. The charge on the capacitor is constant, is conserved, because battery, external battery is removed. So third statement will be wrong. Fourth one will be okay. The potential difference between the plates decreases by K times. You just listen the synopsis. When dielectric is introduced and battery was removed and then dielectric is introduced. At that time what will happen, just you check it, you will get the answer. Next. So 24, wrong option will be third one. Next 25. Parallel plate air capacitor has a capacity C. Distance between the plates is D. Potential difference applied is V is the potential difference. Then force of attraction is how much? Force of attraction formula Q square by 2A epsilon naught. This value I am writing it as CV whole square by A epsilon naught means C into D, because C is equal to what we will get, A epsilon naught by D. CD is equal to how much means A epsilon naught. So CD place, A epsilon naught place, we can write CD. Then F is equal to C square V square by 2C into D. So CV square by 2D. Okay. 25, it will be third option. Next 26. V of xyz is equal to 6xy minus y plus 2yz. Electric field at the point 110 is how much? Okay. So 26 UC. V is equal to 6xy minus y plus 2yz. That is the value of V. Electric field, how much they are asking. So same procedure. Ex is equal to minus dou V by dou this is. So this value will be 6y. This 2 will be 0. At the location 101. So what will happen? 110. So this value 6 into 1, this value 6. This will be minus, na? See, this will be minus 6y. Okay? So, option they gave it as minus 6. Ey is equal to minus dou V by dou y. This will be minus 6x minus 1 plus 2z. This value minus 6 into 1 minus 1 plus 0. This value will be minus 5. Ez minus dou V by dou z. So this will be 0 minus 2y. Okay, y value will be 2, 1. So this value will be minus 2. E bar is equal to Ex I cap, Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. In all of that we can take minus as common. So minus 6i cap plus 5j cap plus 2k cap. That will be the answer for this. So we will get option number 3 as the answer. Next, 27 you see. Yes, do it first. (27) 2 microfarad is first charged. Later it was connected to this side. So U is equal to how much? 1 by 2 CV square. This will be the formula. U is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. So 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 6 into V square. That is the energy. Energy loss you calculate. Energy loss is equal to C1 C2 by 2 into C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. So 1 by 2 into 8 by 2 plus 8 V square minus 0. Sorry, V minus 0 whole square. So this value 0.8 V square. Or write it as, okay, 0.8 V square. Then find the energy loss by U. So energy loss by U 0.8 V square by V square. So here no need to take, we will take like this. 2 will cancel, this will be V square. Answers here microjoule will cancel. by 2 by V square. 0.8. This is fractional change. Into 100 will be percentage change. So 0.8 into 100, that will be called percentage change. We will get that value as 80%. So 27, it will be fourth option. 28, you see, we discussed that in the synopsis. Just go through the synopsis, all of you. Once again, 20 or check the notebook, you will have that. 28, it will be third option. Next, 29. What they are asking, see. Here this K1, K2, K3 all are in parallel. So I am assuming that as K dash, that effective will be equal to K1, K2 plus K3 by 3. That K4 is in series with K1, K dash and K4 are in parallel. Okay. So what is the formula here? We have to use is 2 by K is equal to 1 by K dash plus 1 by K4. K dash value you substitute here. So what we will get, 2 by K is equal to this value 3 by K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 by K4. So 29, it will be third option. Next, 30 actually thermal conductivity is like that, it is asked. Thermal conductivity is actually relating to thermal expansion in the first PU. We will discuss that one later, just not relating to this topic, just we will neglect that. Later we will do that. 31. Capacitor is charged by a battery. Capacitor is charged by a battery. The battery is removed and another identical capacitor is connected in parallel. The total electrostatic energy of the resulting system will be U is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. If you write final energy, 1 by 2 into potential capacity 2C, this will be V by 2 whole square. So it becomes half CV square into half, like that we will write. This will be U by 2. So decreases by a factor of 2. 31, it will be first option. Decreases by a factor of 1. 32, you see, in all the 4 cases work done will be same, all are representing equipotential surfaces. 33 will be 32 first option. 32, it will be first option. Next, 33. Electrostatic force between the two metal plates. Force between the two metal plates, F is equal to Q square by 2A epsilon naught. So, proportional to square root of the distance, that will be wrong. Linearly proportional to distance between the plates, that is also wrong. Independent of the distance, that is correct. So 33, it will be third option. 34, here one metal plate is there. Here another metal plate is there. In between them, the distance between them is 2r. Because of this wire, not metal plate, line of charge, wire, because of this here field will be like this. Because of this here field will be like this. Two fields are in the same direction. E is equal to E1 plus E2 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r plus 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. So finally how much we will get? Lambda by pi epsilon naught capital R. So option for this 34, it will be third option. 35 actually relating to displacement, electromagnetic waves. Displacement current concept will come in the electromagnetic waves. Just now we'll neglect that one. Next 36 you see. Short dipole potential is how much? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by r square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. P value will be 16 into 10 power minus 9. Cos theta value is cos 60, means 1 by 2. R value they given it as 0.6 whole square. If we calculate this, finally this value will be this will cancel. Finally this value will be 200 volt. So option for this 36, it will be third option. Next, last question. (37) K is equal to C medium by C air. C medium is 30, C air is 6. This value is equal to 5. Then epsilon r is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r. Epsilon r is nothing but K. Then this value 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. K value will be 5. So this 0.44 into 10 power minus 10 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Okay. 37, it will be fourth option.